Hi, my name is Donnie Lowey. I'm here at clothes.explosion.com. Hope you are having an amazing great day. I want to show you a really nice box of fashion jewelry. If you don't know, if you haven't bought these boxes from me before, so essentially what they are, they're overstocked from a very large importer of fashion jewelry. The jewelry comes from China, and the importer, what they'll do is he'll go ahead and he'll sell it to all his different retail accounts, or sometimes it's used for private labels, meaning someone has their own label on it for their own packaging. So he'll import this for them, and then all the I would say, what do you call it, overstock, meaning just too much of an item. Let's say he maybe bought, for instance, let's say he ordered 10,000 bracelets and he sold 9,500. So what I'll do is I'll buy all the overstock from him, and this way I'm able to sell it to you at a very low price. His full wholesale prices for the jewelry, I believe, range from about $1 a piece up to $5-6 a piece. And when you buy it from me, you can buy anywhere from, I'll say, from 25 cents a piece, or you can pay as low as 15 cents per piece if you order a very large quantity. Every box has a different variety, different selection. I myself enjoy going through the boxes. It's always nice to see nice quality that's available, nice styles. I get pretty good feedback for this jewelry. You're welcome to visit as well. You can see this, say retail, this is priced at $475. That's free. This box seems to have a nice mixture of both adult and kid jewelry. Most boxes are primarily adult jewelry. Cell phone. It goes to my WhatsApp. It's 1917-913-6093, 1917-913-6093. So I can place an order, questions, call me. Welcome to call me. Just talk if you'd like. I'm going to speak to people. Thank you so much for your time.